Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. In today's video I'm doing a simple dip powder nail design. So I start by applying my nail tips. I am using my medium length full covered square nail tips. I got these nail tips from Amazon. I did already prep my nails and applied my own peel off base coat off camera, and I'm just placing the nail tip on my nail using the powder base, and I did that for all of the nails. And when they are all dried, I filed the free edge and the sides of the nails just to get that crisp shape. Then I buff the surface of the nails with my hand file to remove the shine. I'm going to be using Double Dip 90s Baby, which is this neon pink dip powder. And I'm also going to be using Double Dip dip powder top coat. I'm using that as the powder base. And I had this dip powder liquid for a while, so I thought I would use it out. So I start on the pinky nail by applying a layer of the powder base, and then I dip my finger into the pink dip powder. I'm going to be doing 3 layers of this in total to build this nail. Now moving on, I'm going to be using this neon green dip powder, also from Double Dip. It's called Goo Getter. So I'm going to be using that on the index nail and the thumbnail. So I start by applying a layer of the powder base to the whole nail. And then I dip my finger into the neon green dip powder. I tapped off the excess and then I dust off the excess, and I'm going to be doing 3 layers in total. I did the thumbnail off camera. Now I'm going to be applying activator to those nails and waiting for it to harden. The reason why I'm applying activator is because the nails look a bit dry, so I just wanted to apply the activator just to get some color back into those nails. I think I did encapsulate those nails with 2 layers of clear dip powder, by the way, but I just wanted to apply the activator just to bring back some color into those nails. Now I'm going to be using my McCart Sugar White dip powder. I'm going to be using that on the ring nail right now. I'm just going to be using it at the tip area. I'm going to be doing a marble nail at the tip area of this ring nail. So I thought I would apply the white dip powder first. And as you saw there, I am using another brush to brush off the excess dip powder, because I don't want to use the same brush that I used on the rest of the nails because it would ruin the design. So I used a cleaner brush to dust off the excess from the white dip powder. Now I am using clear dip powder in my dip tray. So I placed some clear dip powder in my dip tray, as well as some of the neon pink dip powder and the neon green dip powder. Then I swirl it together to get the marble effect. Next, I apply a layer of my dip powder base to the tip area, and then I laid my finger into the marble mixture. So this is how it looks, and I thought it needed a bit more green on the nails, so I just placed some of the dip powder base in one area there that was missing some color, and then I laid my finger back into the mixture, and this is how it looks. Now onto the middle nail, I am going to be applying 2 layers of the white dip powder to the whole nail. I am going to be doing a vertical ombre nail on this nail, so I thought I would apply 2 layers of white dip powder just to bring out the color of the nail a bit more. It's always best to apply white under neon colors just to make it pop a little more. I don't think it really popped as much as I thought it was going to, but it looked good, so I didn't mind. So yes, I'm just applying the 2 layers of white dip powder to the middle nail. Now using these 2 neon colors here, I'm just going to be placing a layer of my dip powder base on the whole nail. Then using a brush, I tapped in the neon pink dip powder to one side of the nail, and when I'm finished with that, I'm going to be tapping in the neon green dip powder to the other side of the nail to create my vertical ombre nail. And I think this was my first time doing vertical ombre nails. I'm not too sure. If it's not my first time, it has been a few years since I last did it, so I was a bit rusty, but I think it turned out good. Let me know what you guys think, and also give me some pointers as well so that I can perfect this. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this part play out, and I'll be back shortly. And by the way, as you could see, I am using the dust brush that I was using when I was doing the neon colors, because I am using neon colors again. So always be mindful of that, and don't use the same dip powder brush to do 2 different nails if one of the nails is very light, because it can contaminate the lighter nail and ruin the design. So always be mindful of what you're using on your nails. Now using carnation pink, which is this dip powder from ProDip, I'm going to be doing an ombre nail on the ring nail. I'm also going to be using some clear dip powder. So I placed a layer of dip powder base on the whole nail. Then I'm just going to be tapping in the nude dip powder at the nail bed area. And one thing I didn't do was apply activator in between layers to the tip area of this nail, so I wasn't able to see the marble as much as I thought I was going to be seeing it. So that's one thing I forgot to do. I always used to apply activator in between layers at the tip area there so that it can maintain the clarity, but I didn't do that. As you can see here, I am applying another layer of the powder base and going to be doing another layer of the ombre without applying the activator in between layers, especially at the tip area. So that was my bad, so I thought I would mention that. So now I'm going to be applying the activator to the ring nail and the middle nail just to maintain the clarity. However, it was a bit too late to maintain the clarity on the ring nail since I should have applied the activator in between layers instead of when I was finished with the ombre. So now I'm just going to be encapsulating all of the nails. So I apply a layer of the powder base and then I poured the clear the powder on my nail, and in between layers I did apply activator. I did 2 layers of the clear the powder to encapsulate all of the nails. Now I'm applying some more activator to harden the nails. Then I filed the nails off camera. So this is after filing of the nails. And as you can see on the ring nail, the marble isn't very clear at the tip area, and as I said before, that was my bad. I should have applied activator in between layers. So anyway, moving on, I'm going to be top coating all of the nails with my Model 1's gel top coat and curing that for 30 seconds. Then I apply my McCart rhinestone glue around the cuticle area of the ring nail, and I'm just going to be placing some rhinestones and curing that for 30 seconds. Then I apply cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So let me know what you think about my summer inspired powder nail design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.